All right, prime time. Here's the video to find the two mini winners for Jay's Mariano Rivera 16 by 20 mini. This is the mini for the main. So we have May 6th at 5:29 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have May 6th at 5:29 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're looking for the top two will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final, looking for the top two. Here we go. Good luck. And it is Jerry and Travis are your winners. So Jerry and Travis, please get with Jay to make your selections in the main. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, May 6th at 5:30 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.